Skolera is a unified learning platform that promotes an effective learning experience. It provides teachers, students, parents, and administrators with enhanced modern tools designed to fulfill their needs for the benefit of the child's education. The head of the department's interface allows for supervision and a good review of the progress of all classes and subjects assigned to him or her. Upon login, the interface opens up to My Courses, which provides the head of the department with access to the course planner and a viewing access to the teacher's interface. Under the My School drop-down menu, the head of the department can access My Zones. The My Days menu features a calendar and a timetable. The head of the department also has messages and announcements under the Connect menu. Learn more about how Skolera can enhance the learning process and experience in your school by following this tutorial series. You can also schedule a demo at your school by contacting us.